Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW 7 Series. We'll cover essential procedures to get your vehicle's systems back on track. Whether you're dealing with a minor glitch or a more persistent issue, these steps can often resolve common problems. It's a straightforward process that can save you a trip to the mechanic and help maintain your car's optimal performance. Let's dive in and get your BMW running smoothly again. First, let's tackle the iDrive system. If your infotainment screen is frozen or acting up, a simple reset can often fix it. Just press and hold the volume knob down for about 20 seconds until the screen goes blank and then reboots. This soft reset won't erase your settings, but can clear temporary software issues, restoring full functionality to your navigation, audio, and other connected features. It's a quick and easy first step. For more stubborn electronic issues, a battery disconnect can perform a deeper reset. With the ignition off, locate your battery and carefully disconnect the negative terminal. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes. This allows the vehicle's control units to fully discharge and reset. Reconnect the terminal securely afterward. This method can resolve persistent warning lights or system malfunctions by giving the car a fresh start. Finally, resetting service indicator lights is crucial after maintenance. With the ignition on but engine off, press and hold the trip reset button on your instrument cluster. Cycle through the service items until you find the one you want to reset, then confirm. This ensures your car's service schedule is accurate. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, make sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your home tech.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.